Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make jalapeno lemonade. This refreshing drink offers a delightful balance of sweet, tart, and spicy flavors, perfect for any occasion. We will start by gathering our essential ingredients: fresh lemons, crisp jalapenos, granulated sugar, and pure water. The first step involves creating a simple syrup, which will serve as the base for our unique flavor infusion. Then, we will infuse that syrup with the vibrant heat of fresh jalapenos, setting the stage for a truly memorable beverage. To craft the spicy simple syrup, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water in a small saucepan. Gently heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, remove the syrup from the heat. Now, carefully add 2 to 3 thinly sliced jalapenos to the warm syrup. Allow these slices to steep for at least 30 minutes, or even longer if you prefer a more intense, spicy kick. This steeping process is crucial for extracting that signature jalapeno flavor. Next, it is time to prepare the fresh lemon juice. You will need to juice approximately 6 to 8 fresh lemons to yield about 1 cup of juice. After juicing, make sure to strain the lemon juice thoroughly to remove any pulp or seeds, ensuring a smooth and pleasant texture for your lemonade. Now, in a large pitcher, combine your cooled, jalapeno-infused simple syrup with the freshly strained lemon juice. Finally, add 3 to 4 cups of cold water, adjusting the amount to reach your preferred strength and taste. Before serving, always taste your jalapeno lemonade and adjust the sweetness or spice levels as needed. You can add more simple syrup for sweetness or a touch more jalapeno for extra heat. Serve this delightful beverage chilled over plenty of ice, garnished with a fresh lemon slice and a thin jalapeno ring for an elegant touch. For exciting variations, consider muddling in some fresh berries or a few sprigs of mint. Any leftover lemonade can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, maintaining its refreshing flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.